Hello, I'm going to be answering Waec 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 9 under Test of Orals Section 1. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So you have the word given to us is canoe and O-E are the letters underlined. So option A is louse, option B is going, C is burnt, D is brew. Now first I will transcribe the word given to us, which is canoe, so we can see the vowel sound that is represented by the underlined letters OE. So canoe is transcribed this way. Canoe, you have long U sound. So this is the sound represented by the letters OE. So option A, louse, is transcribed this way. So you have louse. Option B, going, is transcribed this way. Going. So you have, this is the consonant sound. Option C is burnt, transcribed this way. Burnt. Then option D is brew, transcribed this way. So you have the long U sound here. Now we said long U sound is represented by the underlined letters OE, and long U sound is found in option D, brew. Therefore the correct answer is D, which is brew. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers and for more videos. Thank you.